Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. You must be signed into the same Google account in Play Store and Google Opinion Rewards. Once done, open Play Store. Make sure a payment method or play balance exists so rewards apply. Next, enable location and notification permissions in device settings so surveys appear more often. You do this now because surveys rely on location and account linking. Without both, earned credits cannot be used smoothly on app or in-app purchases. You complete surveys in Google Opinion Rewards to earn Google Play credits. Answers must be honest and quick because shorter surveys are more frequent. Once you have credits, go to Play Store and initiate a purchase. At checkout, select Google Play Balance as the payment method. If the accounts match, credits apply automatically, but if not, tap payment methods and choose your balance manually. This ensures you spend earned credits first, reducing out-of-pocket charges and keeping purchases aligned with your rewards. Finish by confirming your Play Store purchase and watching the applied credit in the receipt. You should see a deduction from Google Play Balance. If credits don't appear, double-check that you're using the same Google account in both apps, then force a sync in account settings. Once synced, restart the Play Store. If the problem persists beyond 48 hours, contact Google support with transaction ID and survey receipts. This troubleshooting saves time and prevents lost credits when everything else is correctly configured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.